Did you know that real estate has been the cornerstone of wealth for many of the world's richest people? It's a field teeming with opportunities, and the best part? You don't need to be wealthy to start. This journey is about turning ordinary into extraordinary. In this series, we're going to explore everything from the basics of real estate to the secrets of successful investors. We'll dive into strategies that work, overcome common challenges, and share inspiring success stories. You'll learn not just how to invest, but how to thrive. Imagine owning a property that pays you every month, or selling a house for a profit that could change your life. Sounds exciting, right? That's the power of real estate investing. It's not just about money. It's about creating a lifestyle you love. So, are you ready to embark on this wealth-building adventure? Get set for a journey filled with learning, growing, and transforming your financial future. Let's make your dreams a reality, one property at a time. Chapter 1. My Journey Begins. Hey everyone, welcome to my journey into the world of real estate investment. I'm just like you, curious, a bit nervous, but excited to learn about building wealth through property. Let's dive into this together, shall we? You know, I always thought real estate was just for the rich and experienced. But guess what? It's not. In fact, did you know that real estate has produced more wealth than any other industry in the history of time? That's a game changer, right? So, why am I doing this? Well, I read this quote by Andrew Carnegie, who once said, 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. That got me thinking, why can't I be one of them? And you too. Starting out, I had more questions than answers. What is real estate investment really? Is it just buying and selling houses, or is there more to it? It turns out it's a lot more. Real estate includes homes, apartments, offices, and even that empty plot of land you see on your way to work. There are different ways to make money in real estate. You can rent out a property and collect rent every month. That's what we call passive income. Or buy a place, fix it up, and sell it for more. They call this flipping. Sounds simple, but there's a lot to learn. Did you know, for instance, that the location of your property can make or break your investment? A study showed that properties near public transport, parks, and schools have higher values. That's something to think about when choosing where to invest. Now, I know this might seem overwhelming, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. We're in this together. The goal of this journey is not just to make money. It's about gaining the freedom to live life on our terms. Chapter 2. Understanding real estate. Now, we're diving into what real estate really is and why it's such a big deal for anyone wanting to build wealth. Let's break it down together. Real estate isn't just about buying a house or a piece of land. It's a world full of opportunities. Did you know that the global real estate market is valued at a whopping $9.6 trillion? That's huge, and it means there's plenty of room for us beginners. So, what types of real estate are out there? Mainly, there are three: residential, commercial, and land. Residential is all about homes and apartments. Commercial includes office buildings, shopping centers, and the like. And land? Well, it's just land, but it's full of potential. Now, why choose real estate for wealth building? Here's a fact. Real estate tends to increase in value over time. It's what they call appreciation. Imagine buying a property and seeing its value grow year by year. That's making money while you sleep. But there's more. Real estate can be a source of steady income. Think about renting out a property. The rent you collect each month is passive income. Money you earn without having to work day in and day out for it. And did I mention the tax benefits? Yep, real estate investors get some sweet tax deductions. Things like mortgage interest, property taxes, and even costs of maintenance and repairs can often be deducted. That means more money stays in your pocket. Now you might be wondering, is real estate risky? Sure, like any investment, it comes with risks, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can minimize those risks. For example, a well-located property is less likely to lose value, even in tough economic times. Remember, knowledge is key in real estate. You don't just wake up one day and become a successful investor. It takes learning, patience, and a bit of courage. Let's talk about market trends. They're like the weather of real estate. By understanding trends, you can predict which areas will become more popular and where the next big opportunity might be. It's like having a crystal ball. Also, did you know that timing is everything in real estate? It's not always about what you buy, but when you buy it. Buying during a market downturn can mean cheaper prices and more choices. To wrap up, real estate is more than just buying and selling properties. It's about understanding the market, making smart choices, and using strategies that work for you. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll start exploring how to get started in this exciting world. Trust me, it's going to be a game changer. Chapter 3. Getting started with real estate investment. Ready to take the plunge into real estate investing? This chapter is all about getting off the ground. Let's jump in. First things first, set clear financial goals. What are you aiming for? A steady rental income? Long-term wealth building? Your goal will shape your strategy. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now, assess your financial situation. It's crucial. How much can you invest without stretching yourself too thin? Did you know that many successful investors started small? Even a small investment can grow over time. Here's a pro tip. Start with what you know. Begin in your local area where you understand the market. Local knowledge can be a powerful tool. Research is your best friend. The real estate market is like an ocean deep and full of unknowns. Dive into learning about market trends, property values, and rental rates. Knowledge is not just power, it's profit. Education is key. Consider taking a course or reading books on real estate investing. Did you know that Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors, spends 80% of his day reading? Now let's talk strategy. There are different ways to invest in real estate. One popular strategy is buy and hold. This means buying a property and holding on to it for rental income or long-term appreciation. It's like planting a tree and watching it grow. Another strategy is flipping. This is where you buy a property, fix it up, and sell it for a profit. It can be riskier, but also more immediately rewarding. It's like a treasure hunt, finding a diamond in the rough and polishing it to shine. Location, location, location. It's a real estate mantra for a reason. Properties in high-demand areas like near schools, malls, or transport hubs tend to appreciate faster. Choose wisely. Here's an interesting fact. Real estate isn't just about what you see. Sometimes the best deals are off-market. Building a network can give you access to these hidden gems. Financing your investment is a big deal. Options include mortgages, loans, or even partnering with others. Did you know that 42% of rental properties in the U.S. are owned by individual investors? Risk management is essential. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments can protect you from market fluctuations. Finally, patience is a virtue in real estate. Property values don't skyrocket overnight. It's a long game, but the rewards can be substantial. Chapter 4. Overcoming challenges in real estate investing. As we journey further into real estate investing, let's tackle the challenges head-on. It's not always smooth sailing, but the right mindset and strategies can make a huge difference. First up, financing. It can be a big hurdle. Did you know that many new investors struggle with securing loans? It's essential to have a solid financial plan and good credit. Also, explore different financing options like bank loans, private lenders, or even partnerships. Finding the right property is another challenge. It's not just about what you like, it's about what's profitable. Research is key. Look for areas with growth potential, like neighborhoods with new developments or improving infrastructure. Managing properties can be daunting. It's not just collecting rent. You have to deal with maintenance, tenant issues, and legalities. Consider hiring a property manager if it gets too overwhelming. Remember, your time is valuable too. Market fluctuations are a reality. The real estate market can go up and down. But here's a comforting fact. Over the long term, real estate has consistently appreciated in value. Patience and long-term planning are crucial. Another common challenge is overpaying for a property. It's easy to get caught up in a bidding war or fall in love with a property. Always stick to your budget and investment plan. Emotions can be costly in real estate. Tax complexities can trip you up. Real estate taxes can be complex and vary by location. Get a good accountant who understands real estate investments. It's worth the investment. Legal issues are another potential pitfall. From zoning laws to tenant rights, legal knowledge is a must. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse and can be expensive. Underestimating repair and maintenance costs is a common mistake. Always have a buffer for unexpected expenses. A rule of thumb is to set aside 1–2% of the property's value annually for maintenance. Tenant issues can be challenging. Late payments, damage to property, or legal disputes can happen. Effective communication and clear agreements are key. Also, thorough tenant screening can save you a lot of trouble. Don't forget about the emotional toll. Real estate investing can be stressful. It's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Lastly, avoiding analysis paralysis is crucial. Don't get so bogged down in research that you miss opportunities. Sometimes you have to take the leap. Chapter 5. Your path forward in real estate investing. Welcome to the final chapter of our journey. Now it's all about setting your path in real estate investing. Let's make your dreams a reality with some actionable steps and strategies. First, start with a clear plan. Define what you want to achieve with real estate investing. Is it financial independence, additional income, or long-term wealth? Your goals will guide your investment decisions. Research is your foundation. Understand your local market. What are the property values, rental rates, and growth areas? Surprisingly, small towns can sometimes offer better returns than big cities due to lower property costs. Budgeting is crucial. Don't overextend yourself financially. A good rule of thumb is to ensure your investments don't jeopardize your day-to-day financial security. Remember, investing should relieve stress, not cause it. Consider starting small. A single-family rental property can be a great way to dip your toes in the water. It's easier to manage and can provide a steady income stream. Location is key. Look for properties in areas with high demand, like near universities or business districts. A well-located property can be a goldmine in terms of rental income and appreciation. Don't ignore the numbers. Real estate investing is not just about intuition, it's a numbers game. Calculate your potential return on investment, ROI, cash flow, and other financial metrics. Tools and calculators available online can be a big help here. Build a support team. This includes a reliable real estate agent, a knowledgeable accountant, and perhaps a property manager. They can provide valuable insights and help ease the workload. Educate yourself continuously. Attend seminars, read books, and follow real estate blogs. The more you know, the better your chances of success. Did you know that many successful investors spend hours each week just on learning? Networking is invaluable. Connect with other investors, join local real estate groups, or participate in online forums. Sharing experiences and advice can open up new opportunities and insights. Consider diversification. Once you're comfortable, diversify your investments across different types of properties and locations. This can help mitigate risks. Be patient. Real estate is typically a long-term investment. Don't expect overnight success. It's about building wealth gradually and steadily. Prepare for the unexpected. Set aside a contingency fund for unexpected expenses like repairs or vacancies. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Stay legally compliant. Understand the laws and regulations related to property ownership and tenancy. Legal missteps can be costly. Embrace technology. Use property management software, online platforms for market research, and digital tools for financial management. They can save you time and money. Finally, remember why you started. Real estate investing can be challenging, but it's also rewarding. Keep your goals in mind and stay focused on the bigger picture. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to start your real estate investing journey. Remember, every big journey begins with a small step. Take that step today, and who knows where you'll be tomorrow. Good luck and happy investing.